Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Nissan Murano SL in Cayenne Red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90443A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.